everybody, I'm MrGamingGuitarist, and I just received a big-ass box from Amazon. And, to be clever, I put a sticky note over my address. That way, I don't have to worry about constantly covering up, because I've done that already. So, we're going to open it, so I'm going to start over here on this side, which I'm not sure if you can even see me over here, but I'm just cutting the first side open. Here we go. Oh, this isn't tape, like these are a bunch of strings that are attached to this tape. I did not expect that. Okay. Alright, let's open this second side up. I didn't even do the first side completely, but anyway. Man, this stuff is strong as shit. Not expecting this to be so damn difficult. Just have to apply a bit more force here with my package opener. Come on now. There we go. Okay, going back here. There we go. Let's see what we have here. Alright. Okay, there we go. Okay, now, hope you can see this, but first of all, let's make sure that this damn camera doesn't fall down. Well, first of all, I have a copy of Windows here, which I will not show because of the product key. So here is this is the motherboard that I'm going to be using for my new computer. It's a Gigabyte Ultra Durable Z97HD3. Next up is then of course the big thing, the main juice, the EVGA NVIDIA GTX 970 card. And so we have these parts, the very important, crucial parts are all here. And then we have here a brand new keyboard and mouse. Everyone says that this is the best value for the money. For $30 you get, this is the Cooler Master Devastator. It comes with a keyboard and mouse. I heard this is really good. And so I got it. And the next and last but absolutely not least is, oh actually there's one more thing after this, but this is Crucial Ballistics, 16 gigabytes of RAM. And then we have here and this is the thing that will change my life as far as computers go. My very first solid state drive. This is a Crucial BX100. It's 250 gigabytes, and so I'm going to set up Windows, of course, to boot to this. Because this is I've never had an SSD before, and I hear nothing but amazing things about them, so I'm very excited to finally have an SSD. So, that's everything in the box. So, I have my own hair in my mouth because it's so damn long, but anyways, that's it. That's everything. So, it was me unboxing everything inside this box from Amazon. And so I'll see you when I get my next shipment and I show you what else will be going into my new PC. Bye.